So today is the first day we are starting our lesson on Excel, and yeah, so as soon as you open your app, this is what you will see. You see blank workbook, your home, new, open, and so we are going to explain all the things that you see here. And then you see, if you come to this side, more templates, and yeah, I will explain this, and more workbook. Okay, so if you want to use a template, you can click on it, and the template will assist you. It has been used by some people, and so if you want to use it to record your client's name and everything, you just open it and then you edit. With the template, you just edit. But if you want to start using a new or a blank sheet, then you need to go back. So if you want to start fresh without using templates, then you click on the workbook, blank workbook. Very good. So as soon as you open your worksheet, this is what you will see. You will see all of these, and we are going to explain everything, every single thing that we see here. We are going to explain it. So today we are going to look at the anatomy of Excel. We are going to look at the anatomy of Excel and start with this one here. So every Excel that you see has sheet, and with what we have here, this is your sheet 1. And so if you are working and the need be for you to add, you just click on the plus sign here. You see sheet 2. It continues. So if you want to expand your work, you can continue to do just as you see here. But as soon as you open your app, this is what you see. So today we are going to work on the sheet 1. Before you start operating or before you start using Excel, because I said we are going to start from the scratch. You have alphabet here, and you have numerals. So what are these called? So the page that you see here on the number of sheet constitutes what we called workbook. Very good. So now we are going to look at the cells. Another important point you should know is that spreadsheets are made of columns and rows. So this side is your column. What you see here is your column, and the numeral side constitutes your rows, or is called rows. And the intersection of column and row is called a cell. So we have cell A1, which is this one that you see here has been highlighted, where the plus sign is. So this is your cell A1. And how do you number cells? You first look at the column side and then your rows, then you name it. So this is cell A1. So this is cell A1. And you can drag to this point. If you want, you can. So this becomes cell A4. If you come to this side too, it becomes cell B3. If you come to this side, it becomes cell C1. I hope we are taking notice of everything we are doing here. And then when you come to this side, it becomes cell D1. You can come to this side, it becomes cell E14. And then one thing we should also know is that Excel workbook can contain for about 17 billion cells. So the cells that you see here, they are about 17 billion, many. Let us now move to what we called range, a range of cells. Okay, so when you want to work in a range, this is what you do. Let me go back so everybody will see. This is how you get your range. You can go as this, you drop. You can go as this, just like this. You drag to the cell you want to work in, then you drop it. So basically, the range is a collection of cells that are generally grouped together. So this will be cell B1, H2, cell E17. B1, this is B, this is this one, and this one. So cell B1 to cell E17. Then we are done.